Alright guys, welcome back to Jaeger Racing, and today we're going to do some more of that heat dissipation. So basically the Mustang is definitely just like all the other cars out here in the desert. When it gets to 100 degrees, it doesn't like it so much. So it doesn't rain very often, and well, I like hood vents. So we're going to put some TrackSpec hood vents onto the Mustang. Now, you know, it's a little bit of hair-raising experience, taking your nice shiny car with its nice shiny hood and, you know, just cutting it into all sorts of ungodly pieces. But it definitely looks great at the very end, and as long as you don't muck it up too bad, it actually turns out great and you love every bit of it. So let's try to do as best we can to make sure it's semi-straight. Make sure you don't, drag the cutting tool across the hood and do all sorts of interesting things. Yeah, let's try to do it right and have it make it look good, and we'll evacuate some of the heat out from under the bonnet, and it'll be amazing. So let's get to it. So generally speaking, you want to take the hood off the car, but I'm kind of lazy, so I'm going to try to do it on the car. I got this little fancy guy here. This is what I'm going to use to cut it. At least that's what I think at the moment. So it should be pretty fun. That should make it pretty easy, where I should be able to just get in here, mark the center line, find the center of the template, and then once I get it all situated, then I'm able to go in and cut. Just keep in mind, obviously, as you can kind of see here, this is the flange area that's going to bolt to, so that needs to stay there, and you need to cut on the inside of that line there, cut there. Otherwise, you would end up in a situation where you couldn't actually attach this to your hood because it would sit inside of it. And I have these little rivet points here. I got the black rivets, so it looked nice. They actually send you instructions to make you feel a little bit more confident about your hacking of your car. That's always awesome. I think they look really great. I like the pre-bent, ready to go. Just drop it right in. Stays nice and tidy. I believe it is powder coated, so it should stay nice and pretty for a very long period of time, and it will go very nicely with the vents that I already got from TrackSpec that are going in the existing stock location-esque area. I just think it'd look more aggressive, and I love the fact that it's going to evacuate some heat, make the car run a little cooler, run a little better. Fun, right? So alright, let's get started, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, so now I have this as straight as I can, and see, now I just need to come in here and cut along this seam. This is gone, and put things in there, and then it gets magically better. So yeah, let's get this installed and see where we end up. Let's get a little before action before I, put scratches all over here, there, all over there. So yeah, we'll get this cut out. Well, there's a 5.0. Okay, so now I have this sweet viewing window that I can play with. Now all I got to do is put that in there. I have to clean this little lip here. I was being very cautious, obviously, and cautious is a word I'd like to use instead of reckless in a situation such as this. So now I just got to go clean that up a little bit, get that gone, and then it kind of slides in from both ways, allowing you to bolt it in after. So, huzzah! Okay, so now I finally cut enough to be able to get this actually on the car. Although, so that's a little on the not so cool side there. And I know you're supposed to do some relief cuts or something so that you can do the skin. So I need to do that. But it's getting close. And I think it looks pretty good. So, cool. We're getting there. Okay, so now it's done. Took a lot longer than I expected, but it's because I actually tried. So, yeah. Now I just gotta wash it, make it look good, and show you the final product in the sun.